Hello dear scholar, may you be successful. Alright, well I'm Himlata and I have this time for you two stories flying. Okay, stories heading Hunger and Heat Increased. Okay, Hunger and Heat Increased. Alright, two stories about flying. We are reading story 1, his first flying by Lamo Flaherty. Okay, Flaherty. Right, dear scholar, earlier we have read that a young seagull he used to scare. A young seagull, I saw a picture. This is the picture of young seagull, seabird. Okay, he is loved by his parents. Young seagull, he is loved by his parent. But when the times come for him to fly, he feels afraid. What he feels, dear scholar? Afraid himself. Okay, then his mother. Okay, his mother hit upon plan. His mother hits upon a plan. 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 Okay. So that seagull could fly. Alright. Let's read story para. Hunger and heat increases. Hunger and heat increases. As the time passes, the young seagull couldn't tolerate the hunger and the heat. Dear scholar, talking about the sun heat, and this is the story about young seagull. Okay, seagull means seabird. Alright, as you are watching here picture, this is the picture of sun. This is the picture of sun. The sun was rising. The sun was rising and it was getting hot. It was getting hot. Dear scholar, the sun was rising and it was getting the hot. Alright. He felt the heat. Okay, the seagull felt the heat. He had no eaten for long. Okay, it means he was hungry. Dear scholar, he was hungry. Okay, he had gone forward and backward on the ledge, but he couldn't fly. He wanted to reach his parents. Okay, there was a deep sea below. He became afraid. Alright, he is loved by his parents. Okay, but when the time comes, okay, for flying, when the times come to fly, he feels afraid. He became afraid. He was very sad. All right, the seagull closed his eyes. Okay, and he pretended to sleep, but no one cared him. But dear scholar, no one cared him. All right. He moved closer to the ledge to pretend to fall asleep. This scholar, he pretended to sleep. He closed his eyes and pretended to sleep. But no one, his mother, father, and his brother, sister, no one had come near to him. Okay, no one had noticed him. Alright. The mother, okay, his brother and sister, they had already taken their breakfast. They had already having breakfast. The mother looks at him and tries to tempt him with a piece of fish. It's called tempt. Tempt means to attract. Tempt means to attract. Her mother, okay, she hits upon a plan. Okay, she hits upon a plan. Okay, she looks at him and tries to attract him. Alright, alright, dear scholar. The mother, okay, tries to tempt, okay, him with piece of fish. Alright, she hits upon a plan so that the seagull could fly. Alright, let's moving on next. Young seagull dive for food. Now, dear scholar, now this time the seagull was very hungry. The seagull was very hungry and okay, no one provided him food. Alright, and the sun, as you are watching here, the sun rising and he felt heat. There was heat. All right. He felt what? Heat. He felt the heat. Because the sun was rising and the seagull felt heat. He was also hungry. The young seagull died for food. The young seagull was very hungry. Alright. He was surprised enough at his mother's ignorance of his pitiful condition. Because his condition was very hungry. Oh, sorry, his condition was very bad. Okay, pitiful condition. His condition was very bad. Alright. Thus he dies for food. He begins to fall down with a scream as soon as he died. Dear scholar, his mother tempted him, okay, attract him with a piece of fish. Okay, actually he hits upon a plant. Why? So that he could fly. Alright. And here, okay, this is the picture of seagull. Okay, he was very hungry. He was very hungry. Alright, and the sun was rising. He felt heat also. Moving on next. Flight begins. Okay, flight begins. Let's read. The young seagull begins to fall in the sea. This scholar, when his mother, okay, began to come nearer to him, okay, with a piece of fish. Okay, already he was very hungry. He tried to take that fish. He's afraid of drowning. Okay, he was afraid. He became afraid. He was thinking he would die. He will fall in the sea water and he would die. The young seagull begins to fall in the sea. He is afraid of drowning. So he tries to spread his wings. Alright. This is wings. Okay. Outwards and begin flying. He feels a little dizzy, but all his fears vanish. Dear scholar, he began to fly. Okay, his all fears, okay, vanished. Means finished. Now he was not scary as he, okay, fly, or he could say open his feather. He soared slowly downwards and upwards. He could finally fly on his own. Dear scholar, his mother, okay, hits upon a plant. Okay, so that he could fly. He was very angry. His mother, okay, came nearer to him and he, okay, what he did? Began to fly up and down. He opened his feather. Okay, finally he learned how to fly. Initially he used to scare. Okay, he is loved by his parents, but when the times come to fly, he feels scared, afraid himself. But finally he learned how to fly because of his mother. Alright. Joy of flight and, okay, reunion of family. Okay. The seagull, dear scholar. Now here we are going to read joy, happiness, about the happiness, okay, of seabird and his family. Dear scholar, when the seagull began to fly, he learned how to fly. Okay. Everyone, okay, of his family was very happy. Let's read. The seagull became so happy. He was very glad. He was very delightful. He was delightful. He was so glad, happy, and so higher calling ga ga ga, and he began to sound what ga ga ga. This is the sign of happiness. His mother also began to, okay, sound, producing sound ga 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 cool. Okay, it was really a joyous moment for the whole family. Now everyone was very happy in that family. Why? The seagull began to fly. He learned how to fly. Initially, okay, he doesn't know how to fly, but finally he learned how to fly because of his mother. Okay, his mother hits upon a plant. Okay, and finally he learned how to fly. And sister along with his parents. Alright, his sister along with his parents. Parents come nearer to encourage and cheer him. Okay, the young seagull successfully made his first flight. Dear scholar, let's quickly revise it. Initially, The seagull used to scare. He became feared. He was very sad. Okay, accepting him. Okay, his brother and sister. Okay, they could fly. Okay, his parents, they had been perfecting to his brother and sister. Okay, how to dive fish. Okay, but this the seagull. Okay, he was too scared. He was sitting along on the edge. Okay, he was sitting along the edge. His parents many times scolded him. Okay, as the sun was rising and it was getting very hot. The seagull felt what heat? The seagull felt heat. Okay, the mother looks at him. His mother, okay, try to tempt him. That he hits upon a plan so that he could fly. Alright, finally the seagull learned how to fly. Dear scholar, you are supposed to read. Alright, read a lot, get a lot. See you later.